Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix limited by budget problem in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If your Google Ads campaign is marked as limited by budget, it means your daily budget is lower than what Google Ads recommends for optimal performance. Here are some steps to fix this issue. Increase your budget. The most straightforward solution is to increase your daily budget. This allows your ads to show more frequently and capture more clicks and conversions. Optimize your bidding strategy. Adjust your bidding strategy to make the most of your budget. Consider using automated bidding strategies like Target CPA or Target ROAS to optimize your bids for better performance. Focus on high-performing keywords and pause or remove low-performing ones. This ensures your budget is spent on keywords that are most likely to drive conversions. Enhance your ad copy and landing pages to improve your quality score. Higher quality scores can lead to lower costs per click and better ad positions. Adjust ad scheduling. Schedule your ads to run during peak times when your target audience is most active. This helps you make the most of your budget by showing ads when they are most likely to be effective. Use ads extensions. Implement ad extensions to provide additional information and increase the visibility of your ads. This can improve your click-through rate and overall ad performance. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.